Unsteady heat transfer. The aim of the experiment is to determine the heat transfer coefficient of unsteady process or transient process. Next is to determine the rate of heat transfer, to determine the total amount of heat transfer at any instant are known as instantaneous heat transfer, and to find the maximum heat transfer. The tabular column involves bath temperature, which is at a particular temperature, the cylinder temperature, the time in T seconds, and the ambient or surrounding temperatures. The cylinder temperature drop is noted down at regular intervals of time. There are two specimens, one is brass and the other one is mild steel. If you are using brass, then switch to one position. If you are using mild steel, then switch to second position. That is, T1 is the inner temperature of the brass specimen, T2 is the inner temperature of the mild steel specimen, T3 temperature water bath from controller. These are the specifications. This is the water bath. The water in the water bath should not be filled to such an extent that it will be touching the thermocouple. The water should not touch this thermocouple. If it touches the thermocouple, then it will measure the temperature of the water. There are two switches. This is the switch for heater. The other one to the left is the switch for stirrer. Both are switched on. The temperature of the water should rise till 80 degrees centigrades. Before starting the experiment, note down the ambient temperature. Now we are going to dip the brass in the water bath. We can see the temperature is rising for the brass cylinder because it is in contact with the water bath at 75 or 80 degrees Celsius. When the metal cylinder reaches a particular temperature of 80 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Celsius, remove the cylinder from the water. Now we are going to remove the cylinder from the water bath. It is kept in contact with the outside air, and note down the temperature drop of the cylinder for a particular intervals of time. Start the stopwatch at 80 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees Celsius. So temperature drop should be noted down in the observation column at regular intervals of time.